guys.
Hi.
I'm with my two beautiful little nieces and a bunch of Pringles, so y'all know what that means. I'm doing my Pringle challenge. We have Buffalo Ranch, which sounds gross. Girls, calm down. We've got loaded baked potato, which also sounds gross, but it might be good because you're a potato chip, whatever.
Baked potato. Ew.
And then we have super cheesy Italian.
And then spicy
Queso.
queso.
Spicy queso.
Spicy queso.
So, I'm gonna let the youngest one open the first one, whatever one she wants to try first. And we're gonna taste it and see what we think. Which one would you want to try first?
I want to try
I'm kind of nervous.
spicy queso.
I love chips. Like, I love this one. You
I
want
love
next?
chips.
You want the potato?
Wait, can we get the cuties?
Huh? If you like them, your mom bought these, so I don't care.
Okay. I'm gonna
yeah.
do spicy queso.
Not spicy queso. Oh, yes, it is. Oh. Alright, she's going to go ahead and open that. Excuse my shirt. I'm dyeing people's hair today. I've got dye on my arms.
Mine didn't work, so I'm gonna dye tomorrow.
My hands are kind of purple.
Wow!
I know, my arms are purple. Seriously purple. We tried to dye her hair purple, but didn't work.
So I'm dyeing it with
Alright, you got one?
purple tomorrow.
Oh my god, this smells so good. This one might be my favorite.
You can keep it.
Alright, you grab one? Oh! And I'm going to grab one. Y'all ready?
I almost hit my nose. 1,
2, 3.
I will bet my tongue.
Oh, I like these.
Oh, by the way, Emma, that's not a real nose. Whoa, that's hot.
Is it spicy to you?
Yeah, I don't like that one. Yeah, it's not
We'll be
spicy.
right back, because apparently it's too spicy for her. But she can eat talkie. I'm stealing from her basement.
Hey! I had to give me a cup of water.
Alright, so we gotta freshen our palates. For the next one.
Loaded. I love baked food. Wait. Loaded baked potato.
But this was the first one, what it looked like if I didn't get to show you guys properly. This one's really good. My favorite.
I don't like it. You can have it.
Loaded baked potato. Pass
Mommy-
it down.
However wants to try it.
Can you see my girls? I have groceries and stuff in the way on the table.
No, they can't.
This is Emma. She's 11. This is Emily. She is 6.
Not yours.
Oh, 9.
What? Did you just say 6?
I'm getting confused. Yali. Yali 6.
She told me I was 6.
I don't want them to grow up, guys. Come on now. Alright. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
It tastes plain. Mine.
Wait.
It tastes plain. Like nothing. It tastes like just
The baked
a
potato
Pringle
is
without
mine.
no salt.
I don't like it.
Yeah.
I would try it
Eat
again.
it.
It tastes like,
Or a cat.
No, wait, I was supposed to go, not you. Because you gotta go anyways. It tastes like bacon, and I'm vegetarian, so that was disgusting.
Yummy salt.
Alright, so since we tried a big one, we're gonna go for the little one. We're gonna try. Wait, let me clean my palate first.
Oh, I have nothing to clean my palate.
My smart water.
Let me go get water real quick.
I get water real quick. Be right back.
Alright guys, sorry about that.
Yeah. Oh, I'm blocking her face every time with my smart water.
Rude.
I should watch her.
Right. Alright, so it's green.
What the heck?
This is super cheesy Italian.
That's green. It's green.
That
guys.
is green.
It's green.
We'll give you a zoom up of what all these chips look like.
Ah! 1,
We're beasting right now.
2,
1,
3.
2, 3.
Mine.
You can't have both of them.
Wait, who likes it?
Okay. I like the seasonings for like something else, like vegetables, but not on a chip.
You don't like
No
it?
bueno. No.
Then both of these are mine.
Well, she got 2 chips on her name because that one's mine.
I actually have 3.
Alright, so up next is a buffalo rub.
I like this
I
one.
Buffalo
actually have. You want it, Emma?
Yeah.
This was the one we just tried.
That's Emma's.
She likes Italian?
Yeah.
But you spat it out so quickly.
Because
Alright,
I put too much in my mouth.
we're gonna freshen our palates.
Mind you, it's like, what time is it? Like 8 something at night. I have not eaten dinner. I only had breakfast and lunch, and that was it.
We ate dinner.
And we went to Walmart to buy these things for the video and everything else. So,
So we did this for you guys.
yeah.
In my
The
hair
next thing
dye.
we're gonna do is the Dorito challenge. Alright, so this is,
Me first.
can I read the container? Buffalo Ranch. Now, I like ranch. But I ain't a fan of spicy stuff. Spicy
You
case.
were supposed to taste that.
I didn't.
It don't have a strong smell, just let it shit. Alright. 1, 2, 3, go.
Nah,
Mmm.
hold on.
Nice.
No, hold on.
I like it.
I gotta try that again.
Love it.
This one's kind of confusing.
Mm-hmm.
I don't hate it.
But I love it.
The spice is there, but the ranch is very light, but
I
I like it.
ranch.
it's
Not
different. It's not like really overpowering though. If you don't like spicy food, I recommend it. The ranch is not overpowering with the buffalo sauce, so it's like a perfect.
I still don't know. I taste buffalo,
Right?
I taste seasoning, and I taste ranch.
And that tastes good.
I like it.
What is that? Oh, buffalo.
It looks like nail polish.
It did.
Oh, that was I like it.
It's
So-
good,
But it's nice.
but it's not gonna be my favorite.
I want a couple. I guess that's the end of our challenge. That was
Cookie.
the other ones were not that bacon. The baked potato one, it was really overloaded with just pure bacon. You don't taste the other flavors. But I do like that spicy queso one.
So is this
Which one
yours?
was?
Emma has 2 and I have 2.
You have one. Oh, you're sharing that one?
No,
Oh, guys, I want to show you this.
I have
It's
my
a girl.
one that my
I want to show you
I
this.
haven't reached her. My sister got a new dog.
Our dog.
it's our dog.
It's the girl's dog.
Put her on the table.
Her name is Amora.
Amora, but
Girl?
why you keep calling me fashion?
Did you just say she's not a girl?
No, I wouldn't say that.
What did you say?
She is 3 months, and she is a a lab and a golden
German
retriever,
Shepherd.
German Shepherd. Sorry. She's so cute.
Yeah, because it's
Don't let her lick that straw.
because
Anyways, gonna be doing more videos with my nieces soon, but it's hard because we don't live in the same house.
Jimmy,
But-
I want to live with her so bad.
When I get my own place, we're gonna be doing a lot more videos
Together.
and stuff. It's gonna be
my
great.
ring.
If my
Anyways.
voice sounds weird on this video, it's not my fault. It's because I don't know. It's just
You sound like you're getting
I-
cold.
I hear
I
myself
want to see if I put
in my
ring.
ears. I sound pretty, but I'm
Why are you
really,
zooming into my
But-
video?
I was trying to see if I put my ring
my
right,
voice
because
is not
it hurt.
really the same as I hear it. And,
Anyways, guys, that's the end of our Pringle tasting challenge. We might do it a part 2 because there's so many more flavors out there. They have pickle, and I've never tried
Pickle.
pickle.
I've
I want
tried-
to try pickle.
dill pickle.
Yes, it looks yummy because I tried the Lay's regular Lay's pickle chips, and
I
those
had
are really
one.
good.
I had one from Randon, but I actually don't know what it tastes like because he put hot sauce on his.
I don't want the buffalo ones.
I didn't want it.
But we're going to be doing a part 2 to this, I'm pretty sure, because this was fun. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go because I'm cooking my husband's birthday dinner. His birthday was yesterday, but
We're about to leave.
I'm going to be making him some shrimp Alfredo. And just to let you guys know, before I end this video, I will be doing my cooking videos soon. I will let you know when I'm going to start doing them.
And we're gonna do some with her.
Yes, like baking cookies and stuff. Anyways, so leave your comments below. Please subscribe. Don't be afraid. Click on these videos. They're going to get more fun now that I'm learning how to do more of these.
Ask any questions you want, and we'll answer them.
What she said. And I got a laptop now, so things are going to get more easier for me. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.